Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Subaltern, and today I am going to talk about the post-colonial identity. Although the colonizers retreated and left the lands they had invaded, decolonization often has been confined largely to the removal of the British military forces and government officials. What has been left behind is a deeply embedded colonization. Cultural colonization, the inculcation of the British system of government and education, British culture and British values that denigrate the culture, morals, and even the physical appearance of formerly subjugated peoples. Thus, ex-colonials often were left with a psychological inheritance of a negative self-image and alienation from their own indigenous culture, which had been forbidden or devalued for so long that much of the pre-colonial culture has been lost. So post-colonial criticism addresses the problem of cultural identity as it is represented in post-colonial literature.